Coimbatore. I would like to share my thoughts about pre-passionpreneur classes. Like before joining this PPM, I was skeptical about many things. Like I know I had skills in my passion. I developed it in my passion, but I am not able to implement it. There, I had many limiting beliefs, and also in talking before this, like taking video, all these things are very much distance for me. I don't know what was stopping me or hesitating within myself. At one point, I felt I need something to be done, like some push is needed for me to go forward. I was really looking for that moment. It because something inner me was telling that you are not using your full potential. You are not bringing out the potential within you. I know, like, I felt sometimes fear of talking or expressing myself. From my childhood, I was like confident and courageous. But in between, everything was totally reduced. Slowly, all my energies, courageousness, confidence, all reduced, and I became dumb at some point. But still, I was able to develop my skill fighting consciously or unconsciously. I was doing that. All this year, I built my skills without thinking much.
Hi, passionpreneurs. Energy. I'm so much happy and proud of myself being connected with this with you all. Right now, I would like to share about my first month journey in Passionpreneurs Mastermind class. Many ways I'm transformed. That is what I want to say. Because previously joining this class, I was not able to express myself, and I was hesitant in many ways, and also had many limiting beliefs, doubts, fears. I developed my skill around my passion. I was not able to express myself in many ways. So after entering into this community, past 1 month, I should say, like day by day, I noticed many transformation within myself. I was totally out of social media. His teachings, coming out of the shield where we were, and knowing everything about how to speak, and also social media mastery, developing the social media mastery, finding out the passion, and also becoming tough and how to handle situations. Each and everything, whatever is required for life, has been pointed in an elaborate manner. So when we see all those things in a session, like in a video also, it makes us seeing it like in person, and it's a live session. I meant it in that way only. I didn't mean like it was a video, because of that much I got connected with whatever they said. So from the day started, I was just I told myself that I should either remove my mind, which is not possible, but at least keep the mind aside and go as per the mentors plan. Do whatever mentor says, do whatever they says, just do it blindly. And each day I develop one by one, making starting with Facebook, making myself little easy to speak, because I'm close this time to bring out the word. Right now I'm just leaving it, let it come as what has to be said. So likewise, it's going very nicely. And also the part of yesterday, day before yesterday, all these 15 days continuously, consistently I was posting, making content and video posting every Facebook group, profile page, and also Instagram. I created Instagram account and I was posting just these things. Just 2 days back I started with LinkedIn. I posted the content in LinkedIn, and yesterday I started with YouTube. And that gives me really, yesterday that I was just told, I have to upload it. This is I should not keep on postponing starting with YouTube. I should not delay it and again. So it has to be done, whether it is perfect or not perfect, whatever it is, I'm going in and I'm doing it. So yesterday I just uploaded the whole video only.
Hello, passion trainers. Energy, energy, energy. This is Sri. Today I would like to share my second month PTM journey. What are the bands I have received as well as the transformations I felt inner myself. So to start with bands, as I already posted that I am able to monetize around 25,000 within 2 to 3 days, like giving Reiki initiation. That was the first band for me. With regards to transformation, I am really feel wonderful and amazing and proud of myself, because from what I was, not even the first month, I should say, previously, and now I could see many ways, like talking to people, talking to my friends about what I am doing and how it will benefit them itself. I felt shyness and hesitancy because of the limiting beliefs in my mind. But now I don't know what is happening. I'm directly talking to them again and again. Even they are not taking up in the first time itself. Also, I'm talking again and again, and I'm explaining them the benefits of what I am doing right now. So that is the biggest transformation. At the end of February, I happened to announce for the Women's Day in the month for March. So I was doing all those things. No? That is totally new for me, because making a Google form itself is the first thing, and including the relevant payment pages and the calendar pages, all those things are very new for me. I learned one by one. This pandemic itself, I started doing giving healing online, but I didn't do it as a promotion. I was just doing for friends and who were friends, who were needs healing. I was doing just like that. I didn't promote it. I don't know from where I got this much courage and motivation, but it is definitely from this PTM journey foundations, from Dev sir and also Dharam sir and the whole team. They are a strong backbone for patients. They are pushing me to move forward easy. Thank you, Dev sir, Dharam sir, all the mentors and the team for giving me this wonderful opportunity to get transformed in this physical reality as well as spiritually. Making YouTubes. This I made through whole February month consistently. I didn't think of even one day to postpone it. Whatever content I had it, I just spoke out. Whether it is perfect or not, I didn't see that. I made every effort to make the video whatever I can, and I posted it in YouTube. And really, this also gives me more confidence to go with it. Hello, passion trainers. This is Sri. I'm feeling very happy and blessed, as I would like to share my third month journey, my bands and my transformation. To start with my bands, I monetized by the the Women's Day offer of giving high power healing sessions. I was doing it for more than 20, nearly 25 to 26 people enrolled and got the healing sessions, and the feedbacks which they gave me was very wonderful and gave me more confidence to do it. This was purely online, and through online itself they felt a tremendous energy in themselves who has taken it, and also gave a wonderful feedback. And later on then I also monetized with Reiki initiation. Giving initiation for 4 people, they have took the initiation this month, March. That one also I monetized. Conducting a first foremost webinar of myself speaking for 1.5 hours. That was the language which I am not so fluent and confident. I am able to speak okay, because I was working at home and everything was my home-based job. More than 10 years after the break, I was planning to go and work in the official. So I was lacking that fluency, but still I am able to deliver it whatever I had, whatever the experience I had, whatever the knowledge I had. I think I am able to do it continuously for
Though I didn't monetize from it, but I feel very, very happy in my life. And that happiness really, I don't have any words to express. This is something new, and after this myself, I got transformation of learning and stuff. And another thing is, I finalized my topic for my book, which I will be publishing by July 4th, that I also announced in the social media. The topic is Let Go and Surrender. This is the main topic, and subtitle is From Nowhere to Now Here. So this is totally about my life experience, how I have come from having the skills and knowledge but not monetized or doing it for free, everything. But now I'm able to express it in a bring out my potential to my fullest satisfaction. This I want to bring it as a really feeling very happy with the inner transformation and outer transformation. Everything is happening like a miracle is going. I feel very happy and thankful to the universe and also to Dev sir and my mentors Dharam sir and my co-mentors Sushant sir and Sumanshu sir, on all my passion project family members, and mainly my background of the masterminding all the friends, Satya and each and everyone who came to this story. Even people are I'm feeling very happy and blessed. Thank you for this journey.
Hello, passion trainers. Energy. Today I'm very much feeling happy and energetic to share my fourth month transformation. This is a really wonderful thing. Like I can see from where I was before the joining BPN and right now where I am. The webinars I have conducted, and I started doing one-to-one sessions for the purpose to move forward. And also I'm giving a Reiki initiation and reading sessions and this I would say something like feeling the transformation is really cannot be mentioned. I have now I am unstoppable, taking massive actions, doing all those things, all the tasks given by the mentors, and I feel very happy to give this. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity, sir, and my mentor, Dharam sir, and Sushant sir, and Vishnu sir, for this wonderful transformation of my potential and taking massive actions and adding value to the society.